Hello everyone, good evening. I am Naveen with you. Friends, education is the backbone of any country. But I don't think in India it's very important. Why? Because Uttar Pradesh government is going to close more than 10,000 primary school. And I'm surprised there is no hustle and bustle regarding government's this decision. Friends, in Uttar Pradesh, there are many family they can't afford convent or English medium school fees. They have only one hope to send their child in their nearest primary school so they can get education because there is facility. Government provide books, foods, bags and everything. But now government is going to, you can say, kill their hope and their dream. And I'm very surprised there's no any mainstream news channel they raise this issue effectively. Actually, nowadays India's media is only concerned about those issues which increase their TRP. They are not worried or concerned about India's growth. So you can imagine if government closed more than 10,000 schools, so what those people who can't afford, how those parents child will take education, how they will grow in their future. Actually government said they have plan if any school has lack of student or there is a few number, so they will going to merge those students in another school. But question is that if that school is very far away, so how those kids will go to that school because they can't afford any type of vehicle, so their parents are not so economically strong they can afford vehicle to reach their school. Actually, my dear friends, it's a very great concern and we should think why daily the number of students is decreasing in primary school. Even though government provide education, books, bags, meal, everything is free of cost. Even government also give them a scholarship. So what's the matter? Why the number of students are daily decreasing? Actually, nowadays parents have don't faith in primary school. Actually, in their mind, there's only one thing set in government primary school: the teacher don't teach properly. So that's why they don't want to send their kid in nearest primary school. And I think government should try to evaluate why this narrative is spread in villages or among the parents. Government should conduct inspection monthly or whatever according to their plan, and they should increase the number of students. Actually nowadays our mainstream media, news channel or any media, they don't show the real issues of India. They only shows conflict between Hindu Muslim. And nowadays it's a month of Sawan, so every media channel is only focusing the shopkeeper, like if any Muslim shopkeeper, so they are written their name in the front of their shop or not. Actually government said everyone to write your name in the front of your shop, your name and caste, everything. But nowadays there's a common narrative spread among Indians, or you can say among Hindus. Those who run any dhaba, if they are belong to Muslim, so they don't go to eat food or they will not buy to food or anything because those shop belong to Muslim. My dear friends, this is a country of everyone. Here all religious people live together, and if you know when India got independence, so every community people, every religion people fought very bravely to free our India. And there are many Muslims. They give a massive contribute to the growth of our country. Here is most important name I would like to tell, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is the most honest person who gave their whole life to development of India. He invented there's many missiles, and he put India's name in worldwide. How can you forget Veer Abdul Hamid, who bravely fought in India-Pakistan war? So there are many Muslims, they give their massive contribution to the growth of our country. And actually, friends, any country, if those country only focus on religion, so they can't develop, they can't grow, they just gradually decrease, they just gradually going to diminish. We have many examples, so you can see our neighbor country Pakistan, Afghanistan, what's their situation? There is no growth, no development. So I think it's all politicians politics. They try to divide us, they just try to divide people, like we are supporter of Hindu. You know, current government, they try to say they are supporter of Hindu, and they said we should protect Gau Mata. If you are really worried about protecting Gau Mata, so why are you taking so much huge donation from the shelter houses? And I am very shocked when I got to know India's three biggest shelter house run by Hindus. So if you are really worried to save Gau Mata, then you should stop those shelter houses. And why you took the donation from those shelter houses? My dear friends, education is most important to the growth of any country. Whereas I think government should not close primary school. Even they should think how can they increase the number of students, how they can remove the negativity of those school which stuck in parents' mind, like in primary school teachers not taught properly. So dear friends, what's your view about government this decision? So you can comment in the comment box. If you have any suggestion, so please comment. I will definitely follow your suggestion. Thank you so much for watching so patiently.